Today's video, we're going to be looking at the S&P 500 again. It's still trading at resistance. We've kept the heading the same, but it is the 21st of May. My name is Russell Shaw. I'm a senior market specialist at FXCM. Just before we get into the chart analysis, I'm going to go ahead and bring up our disclaimers. We'll start off with a high-risk investment warning. I'll keep this on screen for a few moments. Okay, and here is our market commentaries disclaimer. Okay, perfect. Let's bring up the charts. On the left, we've got the S&P 500 daily chart. On the right, we've got the S&P 500 hourly chart. The resistance area that we drew in was around the 5320. That is right above there. You can see that overhead resistance has still had an influence. We did move up yesterday briefly before retreating. We'll see perhaps if the earnings from NVIDIA tomorrow have some sort of impulse power behind them. But until then, what we can do is, what we suggested yesterday was, instead of looking at resistance, perhaps support, and we suggested the support, I'm going to move the support up to this level. And what we can do is we can just monitor the hourly chart using the 5,300 level as the support. Now, let's just take a step back and go through to the daily chart, get a broad view of the daily trend. And we can see that we are in zone 1. Zone 1 is between the upper red, upper blue band. And importantly, the band is moving in that northeasterly direction, right? And you can see that the upper red band is pointing up and the lower red band is pointing up. So those are positive. If you just take a look at the last 4 candles, they're quite small candles, so some of the volatility is lacking there. So we just want to keep an eye on that. Some sort of consolidation, and hopefully that is a calm before the proverbial storm upwards. And if we get an expansion in volatility and we remain in zone 1, that's what we would expect. And just take a look at the RSI. The RSI is above 50. RSI is above 50. It's not overbought, so it's on the bullish side. That stipulates that there is, or it underscores, that there's that a positive momentum as we're in zone 1. And because of that, when we go down to the hourly, so we'll bring up the hourly chart now, we can start looking for potential dips in the uptrend. So yesterday, we did get a potential movement up here, but then it was deflected off of resistance. Now we're looking for the next potential setup, and for that to be signaled, what we'd like to see is for the exponential moving averages to turn positive. So they will get the green 5-hour crossing above the orange 10-hour. That would be a positive development. We'd like to get the RSI above 50. Okay, if we stay below 50, then the resistance is going to remain influential, and we would want to get the stochastic above the 70 and holding. All right, we'll keep an eye on that. Thank you very much. Hope that you found that useful.